Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out and really summarizing today's price action quite straightforward. So if you just say, Clay, look, can you just summarize the price action today? Flat out pump and dump, no question about it. Now, before I start throwing stones, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense of this company's being run out of somebody's shed, you know, out in who knows where. I'm not saying the company's being run out of a shed. I'm just making that statement based solely on the price action. How did the price act today? And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price is right back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's first just kind of map out where all this started. And I would define, the move starting as when it broke out of, the range that the price had been trapped in. And that's right here at about 68 cents. As you can see, going past, through the history of the chart recently, this area of the chart was just very stubborn. It kept breaking down the chart, kept breaking down the price, and the price just couldn't get through it. That all changed when the price did indeed break through it right there. And then this is where the opening part of the definition comes into play. Price makes a really nice move. Well, considering that when it broke that green line, it shot all the way up there within a single 30-minute session, I would say that was a very, very strong move. And then the second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time, and considering this all happened within the same day, I would say that's a pretty short amount of time. The price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So again, this all happened in the same day, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed on the day right here, you can see that's very clearly down below the green line from where it started. So price made a great move up, and now once all the dust has settled, the price is literally right back to where it started. Now, am I saying that the price can never ever make a solid move again? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that today's price action alone was a pump and dump by really, I think, anybody's definition of price action. Again, not saying the company's shady, not saying the company's doing anything weird. I'm just saying how the price acted today. Yeah, huge move up, and then all of a sudden, price right back to where it started. So pump and dump at its finest. We'll see if the bulls can get something new started or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.